What's good, everybody? Welcome to today's video, today's vlog. My name is Lane Jackson. If you're new to the channel, this is Lane Jackson Fitness. This channel is full of food, fitness, firefighting, and just whatever else we can record and have fun with, all right? So that being said, guys, it is 8:45 in the morning. I just got off work. You guys had an opportunity to see what it's like when I get off of work. It's pretty much short, sweet, simple, guys. I get off, I wake up, I put my gear up, I brush my teeth, you know, all that fun stuff, and then pretty much head home. So we are home an hour and a half later because yes, I have to commute all the way from South Jersey up to North Jersey. And so the traffic is crazy up here because I live right by Manhattan. I live right across the Hudson from Manhattan, so the traffic is crazy. Everybody's going to the city. So that being said, it's 8:45. We're getting ready to have meal number 2 because earlier in this video, guys, I had meal 1, which was a pre-made protein shake from Muscle Tech, a new product to their line which tastes amazing, guys. If you are interested in any Muscle Tech products, all you gotta do is go down to the description, click the link, shopmuscletech.com, and for anything that you decide to buy, make sure you put in promo code LANE10 to save some cash. So that being said, let's go ahead and get meal number 2, aka our pre-workout meal. And today I think we're going to train. I'm feeling like a back day today. So we're gonna train back today, guys. I did shoulders, so let's hit the back today, all right? All right, y'all, so for breakfast, we're gonna have 3 whole eggs, 3 egg whites from actual shelled eggs. And then I'm gonna have 2 servings of this Kasha cereal, this organic blueberry clusters. Sounds really good. My fiance bought this, it's been in the house, so I'm gonna smash probably 2 servings. 2 servings is gonna give me 84 grams of carbs, which is great pre-workout, guys. If you don't know already, I know I mentioned it in a couple vlogs or a couple videos. Right now I'm taking in around 150 to 200 grams of carbs on my weight training days. So I try to take in a huge chunk of that before I work out and then try to take in the rest right after my workout, and then all my other meals are lean and clean. So we're gonna actually have this blueberry clusters with blueberry lavender almond milk that I used in one of the previous videos for the pancakes, all right, for the protein pancakes, guys. So this blueberry lavender almond milk tastes good. It's probably gonna go really good with this. Try to stay away from whole milk, especially when cutting, and I definitely can't do skim milk because it's just too watery. So we're gonna use almond milk instead, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and whip this up. So we got our eggs scrambling right there, or fried, pan fried. I like it pan fried. I like it hard, nothing runny, so that's gonna be in there for a minute. But one important thing I wanna show you guys, I weigh out the carbs, I weigh out everything. So the best thing to do, guys, to help keep you from overeating is invest in a food scale, so that way you can weigh out exactly what you're eating. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn that on. We're gonna measure this in grams because it'll be a little easier. So on the back of the box, if you look right here on the nutrition facts, it's gonna tell you at the top right around here, the serving size. So 1 cup is gonna give me 52 grams. So I'm gonna weigh out 2 servings because 1 serving is 52 grams. So 2 servings is gonna put me at 104 grams. So I'm gonna go ahead and weigh it out. And as you guys can see, it's actually not a lot when you're weighing it out. And that's why I tell people to weigh out your food so you don't overeat. So, okay, 108, we're 4 grams over. So this is what 2 servings, which is gonna give me 84 grams of carbs of cereal looks like, guys. Pre-workout meal finished. We got our eggs, we got our cereal, we got our almond milk, we got our multivitamin fish oil, we got a cup of hot water in this cool camera lens mug, and then we got a cup of cold water that I will drink as well. So I will let you guys know how this tastes right now on the screen, just in case you're interested in trying it out. That's just my opinion, guys. Definitely try it out. If you're a blueberry fan like myself, try it out. But this almond milk though, definitely a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. I'm not gonna use a lot. I'm not gonna weigh it, guys. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that almond milk in there because, again, I'm not on a super strict diet right now. Now, when it comes to competition prep, which will start around March, April-ish, I will be on a super strict diet, all right? So that being said, everything has to get measured and weighed out and accounted for. So I'm not gonna be super strict on the almond milk. It's not a lot of fat, it's not a lot of sugar. Honestly, yeah, the fat is 2.5 grams. There's 9 grams of carbs and 7 of those grams is from sugar. I'm not stressing about it because I will burn that off walking up the stairs at the gym, all right? So we're gonna have this meal and then we're gonna get ready to head out to train. Gotta get those BCAAs ready for the gym. So we're gonna have 1 serving of Amino Build Revolution. Actually, the last serving of this fruit candy flavor because it tastes so good. Completely empty, so I cannot wait for my shipment to come in, but we're gonna have 1 serving. I usually fill my shaker cup full of water, 1 scoop, and I sip on this during my workout. Man, they do not play with this salt here in New Jersey. It is so much salt on this road, guys. It looked like it snowed, and it didn't even snow yet. Like, it's just cocaine white salt everywhere. It's time to get ready to put that work in. so post-workout meal, getting out the microwave. So right here, guys, we are going to have 5 ounces of grilled tilapia that I cooked earlier this week, and then we're gonna have a 1.5 cups of jasmine rice. So this is meal number 3, aka post-workout meal. And then my 4th meal, which will be a couple hours after this meal, we're gonna have 4 ounces of grilled tilapia with a serving of mixed vegetables. Again, guys, when it comes to my carb intake, I usually put my carbs before the workout and after the workout. So I try to take in not half, probably about 40% of my carbs before the workout, and then I take the rest, which is 60% after my workout. Because I don't want to take in a lot of carbs before I go train. I don't want to feel full and bloated. So I do about 40% before and then the rest after, all right? And then the meals after that, pretty much meat, veggies, maybe some kind of fat source. Today I may throw in a protein bar depending on how my metabolism is acting. Because sometimes throughout the day I get real hungry, and I may throw a protein bar in there because it has just a little bit of carbs, which is not bad, and plus it's tasty. It's like a sweet treat. So I may have a protein bar today, and that will help out as well, all right? I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was wanting something sweet. So we're stopping here in Edgewater, New Jersey at Juice Journey. Now, if you guys watched one of my previous videos, you already know why we're here. We're here to get the peanut butter protein bowl, which is my favorite, guys. So if you're ever in Edgewater, New Jersey, I highly recommend stopping by here and trying out the peanut butter protein bowl. It's a plant-based protein bowl, very healthy, very tasty, and very fulfilling, all right? So let's go ahead and get one. We're gonna end this video the exact same place we started this video, here at work at the fire department, guys. So I just want to talk with you guys real quick before we close out this vlog, this video. I hope you guys enjoy the content. For my new subscribers to the channel, I hope you enjoy the content. If you enjoy it, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any dope content. I also want to say thank you to my followers that's been here since day 1 and the followers that's been here since last year, the year before that, and that's just basically been with me throughout this whole fitness journey. So I want to say thank you to all of you as well. But I just want to put something out there to you guys and give you guys some useful information, because at the end of the day, that's the whole purpose of this channel, for you to be able to take something away from this channel. If it's a training tip, if it's an exercise that you've never done before, performed before, anything like that. I want to share with you guys today, basically I want you guys to focus on training and dieting towards the physique or goal that you're trying to achieve. All right, a lot of people go to the gym this day and age, and they just go in the gym and they just do all kind of stuff, and there's nothing wrong with that. If you're just trying to work out just to be active and healthy, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you're trying to build muscle, lose muscle, etc., aim for a certain physique look, you need to design your training and diet around that, all right? It takes a little bit of research, it takes a little bit of trial and error, guys, but take the time to research and then go apply it in the gym, okay? So prime example, my goal is to have like a athletic muscle model look. That's why I do men's physique. I don't like the overly muscular look, but I also have that look of like I work out and I have like a beach body look. That's the look I like, that's the look I go for. I'm not trying to look like a particular person, because at the end of the day, we're all different. We're not gonna look exactly like someone unless we have a twin, and we all have different genetics. So you have to use what you have and just tell yourself, I'm gonna be the best version of me, but this is the look I wanna try to create for myself, all right? So I want you guys to, you know, really step back if you have not done this already, and you know, your goal is to look, let's just say you want to have that athletic muscle model look like I'm trying to do. This is your goal. Create your small short-term goals to achieve your big goal, all right? Design your training and diet to help you achieve that goal, so that way you're not wasting days or hours, days, weeks, months, and years into training and you're not getting the results that you want, all right? So that's the approach I take. Actually, that's the approach I've been taking the past few years, honestly. You know, I always lift weights in the past, but it was just going to the gym and I'll do flat bench, some flies, whatever else I can think of, and then I'm gone. But now when I go to the gym to train chest, I'm focusing on my upper chest, so I do a lot of incline presses. I do a lot of, you know, different grips of incline presses. So all that plays a factor, guys, all right? So I just want to share that with you guys. Take that in consideration, write that down in your notes, and apply it to your journey, apply it to you achieving your goals. And I hope you guys, you know, achieve your physique, man. I hope you stick with it, stay motivated, stay determined, guys. Don't give up. I know it can be frustrating sometimes, but keep watching these videos and I'll keep you guys motivated as long as you're staying motivated, all right? So until next time, guys, I appreciate the love and support as always. Peace.